2017 ZR2 oil change in the engine compartment, driver's side oil filter. It just pops on this and pops off real quick. It's straight down there. So backing up, straight down there, you can reach in there with your hand. 24 millimeter socket with the 1 foot extension. All right, fill cap, moving around to the passenger side. Real simple. Drain plug right there. See it? Still draining. And that is a 15 millimeter socket right there. 15 millimeter socket, 24 millimeter socket on the filter. Pop it on and you're good to go. 6 quarts of oil. And right there again. It just goes down, screws in, cinch tight, good to go.